Hello again, welcome to our channel. This episode we are on the road again to Tennessee, 2 weeks to be specific. We're going to hang out at the eastern Tennessee side, Gatlinburg, reserved campground there, and work during that time, but also do some excursions. My wife's sister is flying in from California and spending with us a few days as well. And yeah, we're just leaving now Tampa area. It's on a Sunday about 4 p.m. and we're going to stay overnight at Tifton overnight RV parking. It's right off 75. So we're going to be there just tonight, and then tomorrow the last leg over to Gatlinburg. One of the reasons why we're leaving the Tampa Bay area is because the temperature is hot here. We have 96 degrees, and with the humidity, the feel-like temperature is about 105, 108. So looking forward to cooler weather up in the Great Smoky Mountains.
Welcome to Georgia.
We're about 8 miles out, about 9 minutes, and there's a nice line of thunderstorms moving right over our area where we're going to be in a few minutes. But it's moving pretty quick, so hopefully we'll just wait in the car quick until it passes. And I don't want to get so wet while we're setting up, especially electricity. Just got here, and it's indicated on the weather radar app. The line of thunderstorms is right over us right now. It started raining and pouring. We have to wait until it stops, which should be only like about 15-20 minutes would be my guess. But it's coming down pretty good. We can see this here through the windshield. That's the back camera. And here we are with a blue dot right in the middle. So it's moving fast, which is great. Good morning from the Tifton overnight RV park. We came in last night, right off 75. And today we're heading to Gatlinburg, about 400 miles ahead of us through Atlanta. And hopefully traffic is not too bad. Probably about 8-9 hour ride. And yeah, we had a beautiful morning after last night's rain shower. Temperature in the low mid-70s right now, 9 o'clock. And yeah, looking forward to the mountains. Stopping by at Buc-ee's, mandatory stop, go north. Alright, we're here at Buc-ee's in Georgia. Here we have a club melt. Okay. good. Downtown Atlanta, traffic not too bad on all lanes here, around 1:15 in the afternoon, Monday afternoon. Chattanooga, Tennessee, here we come.
Use the right two lanes to take exit 407, then use any lane to take the Tennessee 66 South ramp. Your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
Here's our site 63. We're staying here at the Dudley Creek RV Resort. It's a nice little campground. It has about 60 sites, and they're in the process of building also cabins. Several cabins are under construction right now. Nice pool, water slide. They have the restrooms right here. They have a nice barbecue pit, gas powered, and turn it on. Grill area. Next to the RV park there's a Dollar General store right there, and there's a gas station next door and a restaurant. But the sites are fairly spacious. For the first week we stayed at this site 63, which is very nice. But because it got a little bit warmer in the second week and with direct sunlight, we relocated to the more shady site next to the creek, site 39. Cost us about $60 interior and then about $80 a night for the creek site. Full hookup, Wi-Fi is pretty fast, 150 meg or so, up down, depending of course how many folks are on. And the rates on the weekends are a little bit higher. And here's our site, site 39, which is right at the creek. Very nice. And got some shade during the day. We had burgers and shakes in Pigeon Forge, and I have the barbecue bacon. And the wife has the CI6. Here we have some geese just walking across the parking lot, taking over the gas station. Next, we are visiting the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail, which is a 5.5 mile long one-way loop road that winds through the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains, forest and waterfalls. The trail is also home to a number of historic structures, including log cabins, grist mills, and a blacksmith shop. While taking pictures of a creek, something unexpected happened. Here's the former homestead of Ephraim Bales, brother of Jim Bales, whose place just down the road. Bales, his wife, and 9 children lived crammed into what is known as a dog trot cabin. 2 cabins placed side by side with space between and a common roof connecting them together. The open area served as a covered walkway between the 2 cabins, a sitting area during warm or stormy weather, and a passageway for air to flow through to help keep the place cool in the summer. The larger cabin was a living area, while the other was the kitchen. The family lived here from around 1890 until the government purchased the land in 1930 for inclusion in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. The original corn crib, barn, and pig pen remain standing as well. And this weekend here we have what's called Jeep Invasion. Over 4,000 Jeeps will be expected here to participate in. It was the first part of our 2-week trip to the Great Smoky Mountains. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Fireplace, beautiful evening in the mountains, and a watermelon martini.